This is such a simple, easy, quick meal. You come home from work late, you just run around, you don't have much time to make a lot. I'm telling you, this is a simple, quick, easy, less than 10 minutes, really. Hey guys, welcome back to the show. I'm your host, Dave. If this is your first time here, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. Okay, last week I made, excuse me, I made chicken and this Nor rice sides. It's cheddar and broccoli. Guys, so good. Oh, anyway, I made it with chicken, but this week I'm making it with some pork tenders. Now, if you haven't seen it before, I cut these pork tenders myself on a pork loin, and I'll leave it somewhere up there for you guys to check it out. There was a whole pork loin. I chopped it all up, showed you all kinds of ways to chop it. Anyhow, today we're going to be using the pork loin, doing the pork loins. So come on with me, see how we make them. All right, so first off here, I already have it measured out, but it says you need 1.5 cups of water, half cup of low fat or whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. I have all of them right there, all ready to go. So for the little pork tenders that we have here, we'll pull them out of here. It does not need a whole lot of seasoning because there's a whole lot of seasoning in that Knorrs, but we are going to do a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And that's going to be it. Just salt and pepper. Just like that. Guys, if you hadn't seen the video yet with the chicken, I'll leave it right here. I'm going to leave you a little snip of it right now. All right, so in a large skillet, we're going to turn our heat on to about medium. Bacon grease, about a tablespoon worth. All right, pan's getting nice and hot. Go ahead and take those pork tenders and lay them right inside the pan. Now, we'll get these cooked about 90% of the way, and then the last 10% we'll put in when we put the mix in. This is such a simple, easy, quick meal. You come home from work late, you just run around, you don't have much time to make a lot. I'm telling you, this is a simple, quick, easy, less than 10 minutes, really. It takes me longer to set up the cameras and do all that other prep stuff before it does for me to cook this stuff. One side is about practically done. I got some nice color on there, as you can see. Go ahead and flip these over. If you think the heat is too much, turn it down a little bit. Cast iron pans hold a lot of heat. Let these cook for another 5 more minutes on this side. Then we're going to pull them off, and we'll put the mix in. Go ahead and take the lid off of them. Be careful because there's going to be a lot of steam there. What we're going to do is we're going to transfer these pork tenders onto a separate plate. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn the heat up just a little bit. And the first thing we're going to add is 1.5 cups of water. All right, and that's going to help deglaze the pan. It's going to get all those happy bits up off the bottom. Half cup of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of, I have salted butter, but 2 tablespoons of butter. And what you're going to do is you're going to let that butter melt down. You're going to bring everything to a simmer. And then we'll add that Knorrs pack to it. You can put the pork tenders right back into there. All right, and like magic, the butter is all melted. Go ahead and just add the pack right onto it. Now this, like I said, this one here is cheddar broccoli with rice and pasta blend, broccoli and a creamy, cheesy cheddar sauce. Go ahead and put those pork tenders right back in. Don't forget about that juice in there. That juice is very important. That's where all your flavor is, guys. The flavor's in the juice. You're going to shut it off, put a lid on it, 7 minutes, we come back and we'll be eating. Hey everyone, if you made it this far into the video, I really appreciate it. I thank you for all your support, all your love. All right, guys, we are done. And oh man, those pork tenders look absolutely. Let's have a taste test, see how we did. All right, guys, let's have a taste test, see how we did here. That piece of pork, a little bit of that rice and noodles. Cheers, everyone. Guys, you can't beat it. Easy, simple, 1 pan meal. Boom, done. 8 minutes, it's done. Till next time, God bless and happy eats.